Hello, my dear children. I hope you are keeping well and staying safely. Okay, so because of this lockdown, we are not able to have class, isn't it? Yeah, everyone is knows. So, for that, for your good only, our school started this online classes for you because we all are working hard for you. So, this is time to learn many things because you have got good opportunities for you. Okay, so I always suggest you, please don't waste your time. Okay, at least 1 hour, 2 hour, you keep time for studies. Okay, and if you keep 2 hours for studies, and usually I used to say, in the class, okay, so you have to even at least 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour you keep for math. Keep habit of practicing math. Okay, so that's why today I am going to start this math. Okay, for you. Okay, so keep habit of practicing math. Okay, because math uh, most of the students this is very hard. Math is very hard, but actually math is not hard. Okay, if you keep habit of practicing math, you can make easily. Okay, so okay, let's go to the main theme. Okay, all our contents here. So previous class. So today I'll start from the previous class. Okay, I'll recall for you first, then go to the main content. Okay, so previous class we started this. Numbers beyond 4 digit and 5 digit. Okay, so we know what is 4 digit and 5 digit. Okay, so 4 digit and 5 digit, that means all these are according to the numbers we have done. Okay, so here is the contents what we have done in class. So this is recalling for you. Okay, revision for you. After that, then we go to the another one. Okay, so let it be this one. Okay, let's go to this. Okay, so here what we have done is expanded form and standard form. Yeah, you know expanded form and standard form. What is expanded form and standard form? In class, I have explained you. Expand. Okay, expand. Okay, to write in big form. Okay, and standard form means the numbers we have to write in original set. Okay, that means example. Suppose standard form. Here are you notice here are numbers I have written here. Okay, so these numbers are standard form because here is standard form ones, tens, hundreds. That means 2544. This is standard form. Okay, so already we have done. And expanded form means so we have to write in according to the period place value. Okay, that means 2000. Suppose 2544, that means 2544. So according to the place value, we have to make in expanded form. We have to write in expanded form. How? See, we have to count this ones, tens, hundred, and thousand. That is 2000. 2000 plus ones, tens, hundred. 5 is 100. 500 plus 4 is tens. That means 4 tens means 40 plus and 4 ones means 4. So this this type set is called expanded form. Okay, we have written. We have done already this. Okay, so that means expanded form and standard form. Okay, after that, circle the largest numbers is very easy. Example, suppose here. If you check here, okay, if you check here, the circle the largest number. That means which largest number? Already is circle is I've done circle here. Okay, this is the largest number. So like this we have done. Okay, and predecessor and successor of given numbers. Predecessor, okay, before, okay, and successor after. Okay, that means this also we have done. Okay, and complete the series. Okay, complete the series. Whatever given in the text we have done. This also we have done. That means the pattern. We have to see the pattern. Series. Okay. Skip counting. That means skip counting. Okay. Like this, we have to fill up the numbers. Okay. Suppose here is I've written here 3245, and here is 3250. Then how many gaps are there? 5 gaps or 5 counting. After that, 3250, then 3255, 3200, 60, 65, and 70 like this. Okay, so 5 columns. After that, we have done, put the correct sign of greater than, less than, and equal to. If the numbers are small, we have to put this sign. If the number is big, we have to put this sign. And if the numbers are equal, same number, so we can put this. So these are the sign. Okay, we have done. No? And another one is numbers and numbers name also. This is very easy. Okay, since class LKG, UKG, you have already learned this numbers name. After the place value and face value. Okay, what we have done here, place value. No, that means we have done this also. And represent the following numbers on the abacus. This type abacus with the following numbers. We have to fill up this abacus according to this number. Okay, this, and write the numbers represented by the abacus. The numbers represented by the abacus, we have to write the numbers. Okay, so already we have done this. So you know all this. After that, Indian number system and international number system. This also we have done. Indian number system we count from the right to left. That means ones, tens, 100, and come after 3 digits we put comma, then thousands, 10,000s, after that 100 thousands, then 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, okay, crore, 10 crore. And international number system is counted till 10,000 is same. After that, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. These are same with Indian and international. After that, in international system, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, then 100,000. That means after 3 we have to put period, comma. 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, likes. Okay. So this we have done. Okay. After that, arrange in ascending and descending order. That means increasing order and decreasing order. Small to big. That means from small to big, we have to increase. That increase. Okay, many. Okay, step by step. And decreasing order means decrease. Okay, descending order means to decrease from big to small. Okay, suppose 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is okay, decreasing. So these are we have done. Okay, so let's go to the main theme for today's class. Okay, that is rounding off. I hope you all understand. Okay, so listen carefully. Okay, so first of all, rounding off numbers. First we have to understand what is rounding off. What's rounding off? This is we have to understand first. Okay, so for that, to give you easy way to understand rounding off, I brought this piece. Okay, so rounding off numbers. Rounding off means to guess, to estimate. Okay, suppose example, here I brought this piece. Okay, we don't know the exact numbers of piece. Okay, here. Okay, so if the questions are how many pieces are there? Okay, if anybody asks you or asks me or anybody, okay, how many pieces are there? So we can set the exact number, isn't it? And we just guess and we say the words, isn't it? So that means here is, suppose example, so if you say there may be, maybe there 75, 150, not exact, isn't it? If you ask me how many pieces are there, I can say exact number. So I will say, yeah, there's maybe 125, 120, like this, isn't it? That is estimation or guess. So guess and estimation is rounding off. Okay, am I clear? Which is not exact numbers. Okay, so now you understand. I hope you understand what's rounding off numbers. So how to do rounding off? Okay, let's see the number. Okay, so here I have written here the rounding of nearest 10. Rounding of nearest 10. So here is 10, 45, 22, 388, 2544. So we have to rounding off. Okay, all this number. Suppose 45. If it is 4 or less than, okay, if it is 4 or less, then replace it with 0 without changing the digit at the tens place. Okay? It is 5 or more, then put 0 in ones place and add 1 to the tens place. That means we have to first see this number, ones place, while doing nearest 10. Okay? While doing nearest rounding of nearest 10, we have to check this first ones place. If this ones place number is 4 or less than 4, okay? If this number is 4 or less than 4, at the time what we can do, this ones place we have to put 0, and this is, see, here is 5. So ones place is, here is 5. That means it is greater than 4. That means here what we can do, we have to add 1 with tens place. Okay, so here is 4. So we have to add 1. 4 plus 1 is 50. Okay, so this is rounding of nearest 10. Okay, so this, if the ones place is greater than 4, we have to replace this ones place in 0 and check this 4 to replacing by adding 1. That means here is 4, we add 1, 550. So this is rounding of nearest 10. And here, check here, now here is 22. Check here, 2 is less than 4, less than 5, below 4. That means what we can do, this 2 we have to change in 0. After that, this tens place remains the same number, 2, because this 2 is less than 5, less than 4. Okay, so this is rounding off. Okay, are you getting the point? Okay, now here is 388. Oh, here is 45, 22 tens, but here is one more digit, that means hundreds. But don't be confused, okay, because we are doing nearest 10, so we have to check this tens place only, ones tens only. Okay, leave it this. Okay, don't see this one, we have to check this. So now here 88. Okay, 88 is there. So what is 8? We have to check 8. 8 is greater than 4. That means first we have to put this 0 in ones place. After that, this 8 is greater than 4. That means we have to add 1. So that means 8 plus 1 is 9. That means 90. And 3 is 3. That means rounding of numbers of 388 is 390. Are you getting the point? Okay. After that, now here, I've written here 4-digit number. That means ones, tens, 100,000, 4-digit number. Okay? Don't be confused. While we're talking about this tens, nearest 10, don't confused. Because we have to check only this tens place only. Okay? Ones, tens. So we have to change this only. Because we are talking about this tens nearest to the 10. Okay? So here, now check this number. First we have to check this ones place. Okay? The number is 4 itself. It is not greater than 5. 4 itself. That means 0. And here is this in tens place. This 4 remains the same. 4. Okay? And 5 and 2. Okay? So this is 2540. Okay? This tens place remains the same because this ones place number is 4 itself or less than 5. Right? Okay. So these are about nearest to the 10. Okay? After that, now another is nearest to the 100. Nearest 100. Okay? So rounding of the numbers nearest to the 100. 100 nearest 100 is first we have done this tens place. While doing nearest to the 10, we have to check ones place. But in 100, nearest to the 100, we have to check this tens place number. Okay? We have to check this tens number and we have to write the rounding off. Okay? So how? Okay? So suppose I've written here 213. 213. Okay? So now let's check 1 tens place. This is less than 50. Isn't it? Less than 50. that means this remains 0 0, and the period or the number in the 100 place remains the same, that means 200, because in 100 place if the numbers of tens place is less than 50, in the numbers of 100 place is remains the same. Okay, similarly like all this are same like that. Okay, that is 100 place. After that, let's go to the nearest 1000. Okay, thousands also same process, but what's difference is there. Now here we have to check in 100 place. We have to check in 100 place. Okay, not ones and tens, but we have to check in 100 place. Okay, if this 100 place is less than 500, okay, then this 100 place remains the same, the numbers remains the same. Otherwise, if this 100 place is, the number is more than 500 or 500 like this. Okay, so it will change, we can add 1. Suppose here I have written here 4236, here is 2, that is 200 less than 500, that means 0 0 0, all this and this 4 remains the same. Okay, so these are the numbers nearest to the 1000. Similarly, here is 8 4, let's take this 6 is greater than 500, that means we can add 5 1 and 5 0 0. Similarly, here is more than 500, that means we can make this, we can replace this 3 in 4, adding by 1, so 3 plus 1 is 4, and this. Okay, similarly here 1 tens 100 1000. Okay, see here is same 5000. Okay, I hope you understand what's rounding off. Okay, so for today's session is rounding off. So now I would like to give you homework. Okay, you take out the exercise book, exercise 1.3, page number 71 and 72. There are the questions about rounding off. You do. Okay, exercise 1.3. Okay, page number 71 and 72. There's the questions for rounding off. So you do that. Okay, thank you.